In this video, I'm going to be teaching you about your IP analysis. So you go on Google, search for proxy, so where you purchase your proxy from. Click on jonix.com, right? Once you click on jonix.com, look at that dash up there. Click on it, log in. Once you're logged in, scroll over to ISP orders. You'll see it there. It's right above you, right? ISP orders. Click on it. Under ISP orders, you see the proxy you purchased. Look at it under there, showing the American flag. You see your username and password, your authentication method, your port should only be SOX5. That number under SOX5, that's the only number you're supposed to use for your ports, right? Everything is going to be shown in the next video where I'll tell you where you're going to copy and paste all these things. So you go to another app and search for Super Proxy, one of the apps I told you to download. Click on add proxy, leave it at the profile name, leave the protocol as source5, paste the IP you just copy, your port number, your authentication method, which your username and password, which was shown to you, and click that green button below. Once you click that green button below, it will change to red. And once you see that it has changed to red, that means your proxy has started, and it will show you above your screen as you can see that your VPN is connected. Now you go over to your Brave browser. Here, click on your Brave browser, search for hoa.com. Here to check your ISP and if it's correct. Your proxy, as you can see, it must show the flag of the proxy of the country you are using. As you can see here, showing United States. Your DNS must show the flag as seen here, or must show N over A. Your first call should not be anything more than 0 to 30. Your cellular, your IP type must be cellular, as seen below. As you can see, IP type must be cellular. Your ASN must show your ISP. And afterwards, you go over to hoa.com just to show that your disguise must be 100% in hoa.com. Then you go over to ip2location.com. It's a website all in the Brave browser. Here is just to check for your IP, just to check the address and everything if it's correct. And you're majorly here to just check for if your time zone corresponds with the one in your phone, because once you change and connect your proxy and your hoa.com does not give you 100%, you need to check your time zone if it tallies with your proxy. So this ip2location.com is going to teach you, it's going to show you the time zone of the country you want to connect to, so you can configure your device to that time zone. Now once you've checked everything, as you can see here, you go over to another website known as scamalytics.com. You paste the IP that you copied here and click on search. As you can see, our first score is 0, right? Your first score shouldn't be anything more than 0 to 30. Your first score is 0. You scroll down, see other aspects of your IP that you need to know. Your data center must show orange or none, right? Everything here must be green. Everything here must be green. If it's not green, that means there's something wrong with your proxy, because we are doing proxy analysis here. After you're done with this, you have to go over to another website known as 2ip.io, right? You're going to be coming and check for anonymity check for your proxy, right? Once you're here, you scroll down, you click on check. You click on check above here. Once you click on check, just give me a second, let me click on check. Once you click on check, wait for it to load, to redirect you to another page. Alright, let's wait for it to load a bit. Wait for it to load a bit. Yeah, everything here must be green. Everything here must be green. The major reason why you're here is to check for your DNS, right? This DNS leak, if it's showing green, you're good to go. This VPN fingerprint cannot really be a big deal, right? But make sure your DNS is showing green. Sometimes your time zone, if it's incorrect, if your phone time zone is not tallying with your proxy, it will show you orange. But that's not a big deal. The main thing is that your DNS should not leak, right? If your DNS leak, that means there's an issue with your proxy. And it's always recommendable that you always purchase your proxy. Like Unix, they are very good for proxies, right? But I'm going to be showing you other sites so that you can purchase proxy from aside Unix. So once you've done this, you're good to go. Let's go back to the next video.